If you're getting entertained in an English environment, that's again it even benefits you a lot. And also, I can tell you, instead of watching movies, you can go ahead and getting motivated that even I am supposed to talk like this. So that is how I'm making an every environment. And again, I'll tell you the third thing: don't translate your words into English to other language. Always learn your
Okay.
words English to English dictionary, because I'll tell you, like, English language is totally different from other language, where situation demands, according to the situations and sentence, the meaning obviously changes in English.
Changes,
So
exactly.
yeah, what many people do the mistake, they'll just go ahead and translate the word into English to Telugu, English to Hindi. They learn like that, and they'll again end up doing mistake. So that's what I can suggest.
Yeah, they translate. Even my native language is a Hindi. Okay,
Yeah.
so I have seen most of this. I used to do also in the initial day, but right, I realized, yeah, English have a different emotion, different feeling. Every
Yeah.
language have a different emotion, different feeling. So just go with the emotion. Don't go with the line by line words. Yeah, this translation and all. So
And
okay,
just learning a word is not important. Applying in your sentence, making a
sentences and
proper.
daily speaking.
Yes.
Okay, so I have some rapid fire rounds. Okay, just
Yeah,
give
sure.
me an answer. Do you like read books?
Sorry, do you like
Reading books.
reading books? Yes, of course, I do reading books.
What is your favorite books?
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
My
It's
favorite.
it really inspired me a lot. It's all about rich. What rich people teach their kids and what poor people do not. And
Poor
it will,
people. Yeah.
the story goes like, the comparison between the dad ideas, like what rich dad suggested and what poor dad. One dad will be working and one dad will be self earned. So at the end, the book will end up with real estate business and all. So
Correct.
I actually
Okay.
inspired a lot, and the book, format is also like easy reading, easy writing, easy English, I can say.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. I have also read it. Okay. Another thing is that like any three book you wanted to suggest.
I want to suggest The Alchemist, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I'll suggest like um, I'll suggest like the power of something I actually
Subconscious
forgot.
mind. Subconscious mind. Subconscious mind.
Thank you for reminding. The power of
I
subconscious.
have I have written two books, like which you have mentioned, Rich Dad Poor Dad and The Power of Subconscious. The book is nearby me, and
Yeah.
another, The Alchemist. I have read in a PDF, but I haven't finished it. But I have to finish it.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay. Another thing is that, do you like watching movies?
Yeah, I do watch movies, but again, I'll tell you that watching movies also convert into English. I'll tell, because, like,
Okay.
because 3 hours, man. If you are just watching a movie for just entertainment,
Entertainment
doesn't make sense.
purpose. Yeah.
If you are getting entertained in an English environment, that's again it even benefits you a lot. And also, I can tell you, instead of watching movies, you can go ahead and watch TED Talks. Again, watching movies might distract you. TED Talks is nothing but like you get inspired, and even your blood will be like, I want to do something. Even I will try to talk
Exactly.
in front of these people. I want to talk with thousands of, in front of thousands of people. Again, you will get motivated. So instead of watching movies, go ahead and watch some English videos, like,
It,
TED
it
Talks, know
talks.
about people, because we'll end up, doing nothing in home, as our surrounding is like that. But people, people are doing a lot where we have to look at them, like, so that in order to get ideas. So people are actually rocking. We don't know that. So if you watch such videos, you'll get to know what people are doing. Some people will end up like, education is only important. Some people will tell that age is, I'm already old.
Doesn't matter.
So age is
Yeah.
just a number, and also education is just a paper. So you don't have to do with that anything. Like, you just need to be like so confident enough on yourself that what you can do. And everyone has some unique talent. You might be good at something, and I might be good at something, right? I
Exactly.
might not good at things what you are doing it, but you like, I can try. That's what I can believe. Yeah.
Okay, so what is your favorite movie so far?
Uh, my favorite movie, see, I won't suggest favorite movies and all, because the thing is, I watch and I forget it. I don't carry that, this
Ah,
particular movie as
always
well.
happen
But
to
I can
everybody.
tell you
Okay.
that one movie, Interstellar. Actually, it's a very good movie. One of my friends suggested this.
Arey,
It's
bro,
really good.
why our thoughts are matching? Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah.
That movie is in my
So
laptop.
that's science fiction movie. That's the reason I'm suggesting it. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How to say that? Like any TV show which you used to watch or you are watching?
TV show,
Any
I
TV
was
show?
wasting a lot of time watching Kapil Sharma show. Not now, earlier, back then. I was so,
Yeah,
literally,
before.
yeah, Facebook,